Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to change a page URL on Wix. And in this video I am going to make sure the video will be short and simple and quick, and I will going to break down a step-by-step process for you guys. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to visit on wix.com, and as you can see we are on our dashboard panel. So here the interface will be something like this, and click on here edit site option. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to Wix website editor option. So you can see it will take a while to really reload, then it will come a interface like something where you can easily edit your website. So you need to wait a while. Once your website loads successfully, then you can see we have various options over that place in the left side. So here you need to click on pages and menu option, and now if you want to change your pages URL, just click over here on three dot and just click over here setting. So here you have all the options you want to do. So I'm going to change SEO basic or link. So SEO basics will be relatable for me. Just click over here and you will find out option to change your URL. So here you can see URL select. So I'm going to add something like watch. Double T will be added here. So after completing this, I will just state here and I will leave it, and then I will again visit the place. Again I will click over here, again I will check my, and now you can see our URL has been changed. So I hope the process will be really easy for you, and I try my best to understand you guys as easy as possible. And till then, I hope you love this video. If you find out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.